Hello, my little flowers. It's Chloe, and Kira and I are at Subway.
Are you? Am I?
I started the video when I said my opening, genius.
Are you?
I'm filming you.
No! 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 No!
Be a lady. Okay, so Kira, what are we doing at Subway?
We're eating food at Subway.
But what exactly are we doing at Subway?
Chitter chattering about past life experiences.
It's right after school and we're eating Subway.
See? I'm not going to show you it because I look horrible.
Yeah, I can't, my ID's not even long enough. That's what she said.
Cool.
Here's my ID.
Here's the back of my ID.
Here we go. Here it is. Here it is. Oh, that hurt. Oh. Wow. Okay. So, Kira.
Totally zoned out. Sorry, guys.
Oh my gosh. What are we talking about while we're at Subway?
Past life things, like things from 2 years ago.
What are we talking about in the video? Oh.
We're talking about we're talking about the fact that we're going to go.
Get yogurt after eating subs.
Well, we're talking about we're eating subs, and then we're gonna be eating frozen yogurt.
We're gonna go eat frozen yogurt after
We're
eating
probably
subs.
gonna just like discuss like major things that have happened to us.
Probably not though.
I've got some stories to tell.
You get one story to tell.
No,
You can tell one story in
2
this.
each.
No, you can tell one story in this video, and then one story while we're at the yogurt place. Because I will be filming at the yogurt place. That
Alright.
face.
Do I have something on my face?
Yeah, you got some white stuff on your face. Right near your mouth.
Shut your face, hole. Okay, shut your face. Man, you dirty little girl.
David?
What? I wasn't
Did you
saying
get
anything.
somebody?
It's on the other side.
Alright.
Other side. Right here.
I'm gonna get the girl get ice cream or yogurt, and I'll be right there. But where is it exactly?
There's Kira's mom.
No, she's already been in the video.
When?
When I made my paper craft video.
But she's never been in one of my videos.
Okay.
Oh well.
I'll see you
What
soon.
is life?
You're welcome. Bye.
You don't get that reference.
What is my life?
If you don't get that reference.
You're a loser. I'm kidding.
Alright guys, okay.
Okay, I'm gonna tell a story.
That reference is from
Jenna's not on fire.
if you have seen that YouTube channel or his
Channel?
friend Amazing Phil,
Channel.
then comment down below in which one you like better, Dan or Phil. You don't get to comment because you're in this video.
No.
You don't get to comment which you like better, Dan or Phil. Okay, which do you like?
Good. I can't show.
Which is better? Okay, let me put it this way. Which one has more fan fiction about them? I mean, it's not like I told all of my subscribers about who you like the Doctor and Sherlock.
She's lying.
And I mean, none of those things.
This is how you're gonna ask in the no.
Okay, after almost choking to death. Forget you heard anything I just said.
You know what? You're gonna have to take your yogurt with you.
No.
Why? Uncle David's stranded.
Are we gonna pick them up together?
No, not Chloe. Not that I don't want her, but her mom said bring her right home.
Mom, Mom,
What?
we want time to hang out.
You can't,
Why not?
because her mother said bring her right back.
After we get yogurt.
In the car, that's all.
All right.
Because you're hanging out now instead of over there.
Oh, let's go to the
All right.
yogurt place.
Bye, guys. We'll see you at the yogurt place. See you in the next video. I mean, because I don't know how to edit yet. Bye.